Some big news coming in from Delhi. The Delhi government now lodges an FIR against Delhi's Sir Gangaram Hospital. Delhi government now ordered for the filing of the FIR on Sir Gangaram Hospital for violation of the Epidemic Diseases Act. FIR now filed against the hospital in violating rules of testing there. The FIR states that it was mandatory for hospitals to follow Health Ministry's guidelines and collect samples only through RT-PCR app. Sir Gangaram not using RT-PCR to collect samples is what the government stance is. Here's big news coming in. Delhi government there, of course, India Today carried out a reality check very clearly exposing several hospitals not adhering to the rules put in place by the government itself. Hospitals had their own rules going while the government had set rules in place only to ensure people who needed support during this COVID-19 pandemic, those who have tested positive of COVID-19, those who are wanting to get tested, showing symptoms, get all help and support possible by hospitals. Now, Delhi government has lodged an FIR against Delhi's Sir Gangaram Hospital for not complying with those orders in place. Milan Sharma joining us for more details on that. Milan, do take us through. We have Sir Gangaram Hospital now in the dock for violating the Epidemic Diseases Act. An FIR has been filed accusing the hospital of violating rules of testing. And the FIR there states, and I quote, "It is mandatory for hospitals to follow Health Ministry's guidelines and collect samples only through RT-PCR app. Sir Gangaram not using the RT-PCR to collect samples."
Well, to understand that simply, the government has decided that it will take action against private hospitals who are not following norms and regulations. And as far as the FIR is concerned in this regard, it has been filed under Section 188 of the IPC, which roughly translates to disobedience of orders issued by a public servant. So that is the charge that has been levied against Sir Gangaram Hospital. The authorities have also ordered this FIR to be filed, which was filed on the 5th of June now, because the data testing norms are being violated. That is the charge that the Delhi government has levied on the hospital, that the RT-PCR app for testing data is being violated under the Epidemic Diseases Act. And this is a COVID-19 regulation which has been formulated. So certainly Delhi government seems serious about taking action against private hospitals. But the bigger question remains that without testing, can hospitals actually admit patients in the time of pandemic and segregate them from those who do not have COVID? And that is the controversy that has actually led to the filing of this FIR, Nabila.
For joining us with those details there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.